Hello, GED students. It's GED question of the daytime, and today we're playing Two Truths and a Lie, GED style. So, as far as I'm concerned, if you can spot errors in mathematical thinking, you are in such good shape to take your GED. And so I was looking at a common error that students make when combining like terms down here. That is the skill I should say that is a skill that students commonly mess up. So what am I talking about when I say combining like terms? Basically, combining is the word we start using for both adding and subtracting when we start using negative numbers. And so when I say combining like terms, I'm talking about the addition and subtraction that we do with algebraic numbers. These terms have both the numbers that we're used to, but they can also have variables, letters with them. So like in A, you take a look at this. It says take 15x and from 15x subtract 22x. So imagine that x is just like a thing, like a dollar bill. And I have 15 of those x's. I have 15 of those dollar bills. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, I've asked you to take away 22 of those x's. So super easy. I'll take away the first 15, but now I got to keep going because I was supposed to take away 22. So I'll take away another one. That's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I ended up having to take away more x's than I had. How many more x's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had to take away 7 more x's than I had. And so this is a correct answer. So not the lie. That is not the lie. I'd say the same thing about B. Take a look at B. It tells me I have 33 of these x squareds. What does that mean? It means I literally have 33 little x squareds. And I will spare you guys. I'm not going to write that 33 times, but realize I have 33 of those. And to that, I'm going to add another 12 of those x squareds. So I'm going to add another 12 of those. You can imagine that I wrote this 12 times. Well, if I have 33 x squareds over there and 12 x squareds over there, well, I can count up how many total x squareds I have. I clearly have 45 total of those x squareds. This is also a truth. So you might be saying, well, then what's the lie, Kate? Let's take a look at C. Here is the lie. Let's talk about what C says. C says I have 4 x's. I have x, 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 and x. And then I have 8. I have 8 what? Notice there's no x right here with 8. What does that mean to me? It means this is just a regular plain old number. What do I have 8 of? I have 8 ones. And I won't. Oh, I will. I'll draw all 8 ones. There you go. Now, this student somehow said that if I take x's and I add them together, I group them, suddenly all these ones become x's. Now, that wouldn't happen. That's just nonsense. What this student did was they tried to combine terms that are not like. They said, oh, I'll just combine together x's and plain old numbers. And I'm sorry, if terms aren't like, you can't combine them. Or in plain English, you can only add and subtract the same kinds of things. Guys, it's been true since the very beginning of math. Since your very first word problem, we couldn't add apples and oranges. And then it was true in decimal land. We could only add, tenths with tenths and hundredths with hundredths. And it was true in fractions. We can only add halves with halves and thirds with thirds. I can't add x's with plain old numbers. This is a lie. And so a lot of students get mad at me. They're like, well, Kate, if 12x is a lie, what's the right answer? What is 4x plus 8? 4x plus 8 is just 4x plus 8. I can't do that addition. Those terms are not like. There's just nothing I can do here. Math students will try to force things together all the time because they think, oh, I have to add something. And they'll try really hard and make utter nonsense out of a problem. So the lie here was C, 4x plus 8 is not 12x. 4x plus 8 cannot combine. Great. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.